In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create debit and credit account ledger in Microsoft Excel. A debit and credit account ledger is a simple but very useful tool for recording financial transactions. It helps you keep track of money coming in as debit, money going out as credit, and the balance that remains after each transaction. If you want a clean, organized way to monitor account activity in Excel, this setup is a great place to start. To begin, create the ledger table in your worksheet. This is the structure that will hold all of your transaction details and calculations. Make sure your table is arranged clearly so you can enter debit amounts, credit amounts, and the balance in separate columns. Keeping the layout neat from the start makes the formulas easier to manage and helps prevent mistakes later on. Once the table is ready, the next step is to calculate the opening balance. Click on cell E2. This is where the first balance will appear for the first transaction row. In that cell, type the formula equals C2 minus D2, then press enter. This formula takes the debit amount in row 2 and subtracts the credit amount in row 2, giving you the starting balance for that entry. At this stage, it is helpful to remember what the formula is doing. If the debit value is larger than the credit value, the balance will increase. If the credit value is larger, the balance will decrease. This makes the ledger easy to read because the balance reflects the effect of each transaction directly. Now that the opening balance is in place, the next part is calculating the running balance. Click on cell E3. In this cell, type the formula equals E2 plus C3 minus D3. Then press enter. This formula takes the previous balance from E2, adds the new debit amount from C3, and subtracts the new credit amount from D3. As a result, the balance updates continuously from one row to the next. To apply the same calculation to the rest of your ledger, drag the fill handle down from cell E3. Excel will automatically copy the formula into the remaining rows and adjust the references for each line. This saves time and ensures your running balance is calculated consistently throughout the table. And that's it. You now have a working debit and credit account ledger in Microsoft Excel. With this setup, you can enter transactions and let Excel handle the balance calculations for you. Thanks for watching.